Hey, welcome back to the Handlebar Garden.
Welcome.
We're going to do an install today.
What you got, Mike?
I got some wings for my Batwing.
Wings. Yeah. See what this man's got right here. How y'all been? Anyway, let us know. We've been quite busy.
Yeah, we've not got to do any videos in a while.
So, yeah, let us know how y'all been. Mike just pulled up and his scoot's right here. And what he's talking about is right here. That wind deflector that goes right there. That's what.
There's the screws for it. So.
It's got screws. Right now it's got these little plugs. So we're going to have to figure out how to get them out.
I never really noticed they were on there.
Yeah.
I had it for a couple of years.
So we're going to,
right here.
it should be,
Now, these are supposed to be adjustable.
Adjustable. Well, yeah.
Well, probably, no, that's the right way.
That'll be which one would this be, left or right? Hey, this will be a left. It's got an L on it. It's got an L right there. So.
They knew me, didn't they?
Yeah.
Yep, here's the right.
So if Mike is set right there, I'll go back here. Or he can come back there too. And these are going to go, I'm assuming now, this is all assumptions at this point.
Well, you got the right
like
side.
that. These are going to go in there, something like this. And we'll be able to adjust. Yeah, this will be interesting.
So, stay with us. We're going to get right through that.
Hey, boys. Alright, what you got? Mike will kind of show you here.
These little plugs, a small screwdriver or anything, and just be real gentle. And it just comes right out. And this has got some plastic around it, which kind of protected my fairing. And then they provide you with the Allen head bolts.
So that's already even threaded.
Yeah, already threaded. And this is actually a metric. It's a 4.
There's one to fall out. Yeah, as you notice, what Mike's doing is just getting them started, and then we'll snug them as you go.
There we go.
So that's pretty cool. Show you what they look like out here.
Now, the ideal behind this, I've got the soft lowers that I can put on, and that blocks a lot of the cool air. And then this should block a lot more. It may actually help with the rain too. And as it warms up, I can pull my soft lowers off because motor builds a lot of heat. And then I should be able to open these up and direct air right into them.
Curious on those, that's for sure.
Alright, we'll get the other side put on, and then I'll take it out the road and we'll see what it's going to do.
Roger that. And that's what they look like installed, folks. Just like that. Looks good. Looks real good. That will no doubt block a lot of air. Wouldn't it be something if we go down the road here in a minute and they go?
I didn't think of that, but that is a possibility.
Well, road glide's bad for that. You gotta figure it out. There's a secret behind that, folks. I ain't giving it up yet.
Yeah, I can tell it's huge difference. You don't really think it's knocking that much off. So you open it up and you can feel it hits right in the
Wow.
head. Done 88 miles.
So, dude, what'd you think about them?
It made a big difference.
Yeah,
When I opened them up, I could actually feel the air hit me in the chest.
right.
And I closed them out, and I could feel it hit me around the knees, just below.
Yeah,
So if I've got my soft lowers on and those closed up, that's going to knock a ton of cool air off.
oh yeah, cool.
And then weather like this is nice and warm, flip them up and let that
Yeah,
air.
man.
Yeah.
Sounds
That's
good.
well worth the $40 I invested in it.
There you go. Well, this he's on down the road, dude.